Okay, guys, we back rolling with Chan. Sorry for the wait. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna give y'all an update on MaeBerry of where we came. We came a long way from the last time y'all seen it. I just ain't been picking up the camera. So today we at the windshield place getting the windshield, so we can go get the top done. So I'm gonna give y'all the turnaround. Give y'all an update. Last time y'all seen it, it didn't have nothing on it. No chrome. No. I think it might have had the grill. I still got to get the black molds. It's looking good though. Wait till I get that top. When I get that top put on there this week, we'll be together. Try to find me some rims. It's Labor Day. I wanted some 6s, but right now I'll settle for 4s, 6s, whatever. I ain't gonna lie. Looking good though. That's what we here to do right here. Get the windshield replaced. All right. Yeah. Need any windshields done? Y'all do all windows or just windshields? All windows. Any window you need, Duty's Auto Glass. Out here in Jonesboro, Illinois.
Just use the jackhammer across the bottom of the side as far as you can.
Yeah, I've been putting this car together for a year.
Heavy.
Yep, I bought it last year, September the 9th.
They were really good old cars back in the day. I seen a lot of them going around for years, years after the 80s and stuff.
It was in bad shape, boy. It was gone.
Gotta be harder and harder to find because then, anything, any kind of body to it, all these yahoos can grab them up and make demo cars out of them,
Yeah, they do that a lot.
Yeah.
I actually bought some parts from people who was gonna demo some cars.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they're good sized body cars.
Let y'all check that inside out. Need that headliner and rag top. I got that at home. Put that in there. Yeah, it's a work in progress.
It's short for the year it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have all these things for 20 years.
Get back to y'all in a little while. Yeah, that new glass, there you go. Brand new windshield for that Chevy, for MaeBerry. We don't call it that Chevy or box Chevy. It's MaeBerry. We're getting it in. They love that Chevy. His wife came out and took a picture, said, this one going on our Facebook. Her picture looks so hard. She got an Android with like 7 cameras on the back. Lord Jesus.
Just raise that one. Take a razor and I have to cut these stuff loose.
That quick, that easy. Ride around like that, no windshield.
Get a little buggy.
Yeah.
From the side, please.
About a quarter inch from the side clip, yes, sir.
That quick. That new windshield look good in there.
We really should have some dates on these before we start
Yeah, I
back.
know it. Put some tape around them for me or something. Yeah, put some tape so it won't be scratched or nothing. Yeah.
I should probably go to AutoZone and get some.
Yeah, I'm yes. See it? Real quick light. Y'all seen the process. I cut the camera a little bit, but not too much. MaeBerry hit nice. Don't think cause up there I ain't hitting down here not. Wet sand and buff whole car. Find another spot for y'all. Let's see what it look like. Mirror check. I got some overspray back here. I was paying that stuff. Have to buff it. Y'all want another mirror check? Let's see. Pretty glass. I still could have been better for me, but don't worry about that top. You know, I had dents. If y'all watch some old videos, it was a couple dents at the top right there. Got to smooth out, put the top back on it. Y'all should be getting the top video, what, next day or two. Yup.